So what did you do here? You built everything custom?
Everything, all the machines,
Wow.
all the inventories.
This is
Any
amazing.
type of car key.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
Look at this. I've never seen anything like this.
So nice of you.
You are the best.
Thank you so much.
I need your car. Yeah, fantastic.
Make it convenience, you know. For example, this one is the high security key, so it requires special machine to cut it with laser key machine.
Wow. And you have it right there.
I have one and one over here for backup, so I have two.
Incredible.
Thank you.
What a piece of machinery. This is the, he's got mobile key on wheels. Pickbuster Locksmith. Incredible.